Hey guys, today I'm doing a brow tutorial for you, and this is just how I fill my brows, keep them maintained, and the products that I use. And that's pretty much all that needs to be said for this intro. So if you want to see how I fill in my eyebrows, just keep watching. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to tell you the brow pencils that I'll be using. So I will be using two, and they are different brands because I had already bought this one, the Milani, let me show you, the Milani Easy Brow. And I got it pretty dark, so I wanted a lighter one, and I also wanted to try the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I got, this is a darker one, this is in dark brown, and then this is in taupe, the Anastasia. So let me show you just how I do it. And what I did is I also have been kind of, not growing out my eyebrows, but I let them grow in a little bit just so I could show you how I shape them and tweeze them. I have been, you guys have known I've been having trouble with this eyebrow, how it's like way high and everything. So I found a place that does specialize in eyebrows, and I think that I'm going to go there next week just to like even these out because they're driving me absolutely insane, and whatever I've been doing hasn't been working. So I will be doing that, but for now, let me just show you how I've been filling mine in. And mine are pretty thick, so I don't need to do much. But I'm going to take the Easy Brow Pencil in dark brown, and I'm going to focus on the outer edge here, and this is where you want it to be dark, the darkest anyway. I'm just going to wing that out just a bit, and I'm going to lightly, as I come more towards my nose, I'm going to have a lighter hand. So out here I have a pretty heavy hand and fill that in. And then I start to have a little bit lighter of hand as I go in, and I'm going to stop right about there. Then I'm going to brush through that with a little spoolie at the end. Make sure it looks nice and smooth. Then I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in taupe. And I'm going to work on the inner corner here. So that way it's sort of a natural ombre effect. And because at first I started with a dark brown all throughout my brows, and it just looked super intense, and I didn't really like that, so I did want to get a lighter color. And so yeah, that's how I do it, and you can see the difference in these two brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this brow, and then I'll show you the end product. Where did I put my Milani brow pencil? Here it is. I'm just going to brush through them, make sure they're shaped how I want. Okay. So now they're all filled in. Now what I do is once I have them filled in is when I like to pluck, because before I would just get confused and pluck stuff I didn't mean to. So once I have it filled in, I know what I like to keep. Alright guys, and that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my makeup, and then I'll show you just the complete full face with eyebrows done and everything. Alright guys, so I have all my makeup done, so you can see the eyebrows. Again, you can totally see the difference here. I'm going to get that fixed. I've tried so hard to fix it, just didn't work. So, yeah, that's my brow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!